Hello everyone. So in this video, we are going to learn why should you learn data structures. We are going to learn something very interesting. So in our day-to-day life, many applications such as web browser, Google Map, music player, movie ticket booking apps use some of the data structure concepts. So this video will give you a better understanding of why should you learn data structures. So let us learn how data structures play a major role in our day-to-day life. So we all must have used online ticket booking systems at least once. It might be for booking tickets for train, or maybe bus, or flights, or movies, or any other shows. If we want to book any seat, it is just a matter of clicking on a square and it will be booked. But have you ever wondered that this is a two-dimensional array and this seat, which is in row 3 and column 4, is seat of 3, 4. So that is a real-life application of an array. Now let us understand a browser's working. So we are first going to a web page www.google.com, and now we are visiting the website log2base2.com. Now there is a YouTube link. Now we click there and we go to that address. So whenever we visit a web page, see that URL is stored here. Now we can click on the back button and go to last visited web page. See, when we click here, we are back to log2base2.com. And from there, we can go back to www.google.com as well. And we are familiar with these operations of a browser. And this is actually an application of stack, which follows the last in first out principle. That is, who came last will be gone out first. So simply by clicking a back button, we can go to last visited website. So that is how a stack is useful in our daily life. And we all have stood in a queue at somewhere in our life, maybe at a bank, a restaurant, a college, etc. And who comes first in the queue will be served first and can go out like this. That is first in first out principle, which is exactly what a queue data structure is. Who comes first will be served first. But stack was last in first out. Who came last will be served first. Now, can you think of any application for linked list? See, we all have music player in our phones and will have songs in it. Suppose you have 4 songs in your phone. After playing song 1, song 2 will be played. Then song 3 will be played and then song 4 will be played, like that. It doesn't stop after playing one song. The next song will be played. So, the songs are connected just the way nodes are connected in a linked list. So this is an application of a syncly linked list. In a syncly linked list, the nodes are connected in a single way. So we can go to song 3 from song 2, but we cannot go in backwards. And in doubly linked list, the nodes are connected in both directions, so we can go either way. So we can play song 1, then song 2, then song 3, and from song 3 we can play song 4 as well as song 2. That is, we will have both previous and next buttons. So bidirectional navigation is possible. And after all the songs are played, the music player will stop playing. But sometimes we play a playlist in a repeat mode, so that after the last song is completed, the first song will start playing again and it will play in this cyclic mode and will never stop. So that is a circular linked list. The last node is connected to the first node again. That is, the last song is connected to the first song again and it will repeat the playlist. So that is how linked lists are useful in our daily life. Now, everybody uses Google Map. And can you guess which data structure it uses? Google Map actually uses the graph data structure where all the cities and states are connected as a graph with distance information. If we want to go from Tamil Nadu to Delhi, there might be many ways, but using some algorithms, we can select the shortest path, which saves a lot of time. For example, this way it takes 1000 kilometers, and this one will take 1500 kilometers, and this one will take 2000 kilometers. And the shortest path is 1000 kilometers, and we can proceed with this one. So that is how data structures play a major role in our day-to-day life. In the upcoming series, we will learn how to implement all the data structures.